Peace reflections. Good day to all gods and goddesses. Good high vibration, positive high vibration to all. How you guys doing? I'm at work right now. Let you check out the views. Anyway, I'm checking it out. Beautiful. Got a new room right there. You know, it's a mental thing right here. It's a mind thing right here. You get on here and just post up in the water. Relax with the water, become one with the water. You know what I'm talking about? Even though it's just a man-made lake or whatever it's supposed to be. But it's also water itself. Have messages through it, have a brain itself. It can tell you things. It can memorize anything. Water can. This one I'm at today at work. Beautiful. Check it out.